Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I want to make these little clock collages. I thought they would be nice decorations for a page in your journal. Let's just look at a random page and see how they might look. The clock is a die cut and it fits on my page, and you can either put the centre from the clock in the centre or to the side or down below. I thought even if your page is smaller than my page, you could cut the clock in half and have it against the edge of the page with the piece of collage to the side. I thought that was quite cool. Or you could have the two pieces and have one piece on that side and one piece on that side with the collage in the middle, or just however you want it. You could even have the piece as you could have that and then not stick all of that down and have it as a little tuck spot if you wanted. So plenty chances to use this, and it's just a super simple little collage in the middle, and I'll show you what I used. So the die to cut the clock is this one. It's Weathered Clock, Tim Holtz Alterations. So that was the die I used. Just pop that over there. I cut them from a variety of papers. So this one has been cut from an art journal page that I did many years ago that I just didn't like, so I'm just been using it to cut pieces out, and I thought it was quite good the way that it's got a little bit of rough texture. This one is just cut from scrapbook paper, and so you get little bits of the colour. And the two that we'll do together, one was cut from this scrapbook paper and one was cut from a book page. A magazine, yeah, no, it's a book, not a magazine, a book. The collage focal point all came from this sticker book. So these pieces, this lady with the huge big skirt on her dress was from the sticker book, and this young lass here was from the sticker book as well, and all the other bits are just little bits of ephemera, some map, a ticket, a butterfly, some flowers and another map piece, just to make a little collage. So let's do. So this is the book that the two stickers came from. I have two more clock pieces cut out, so we can put them to the side for the moment, and I will bring in my little collages. So this is from the sticker book. It's Bibliophilia, Antiquarian Sticker Book. There's lots of brilliant stickers, a little bit unusual. Some of them I'd probably not use, but you just never know when the time might come that you'll need a big eye or you'll need, I don't know, what looks like a strange tree or a lemon with matchstick legs. Who knows? One day that might just be the thing. So what I do, because the stickers, let me show you, the stickers have, let's use the lemon, why not? The stickers have quite a big border around them. Can you see? And I'm not keen. So what I do with the stickers is I just stick them on an old book page and then cut round them. I find that's the easiest thing to do. So we've got two. This hand as well has been stuck onto a book page and I just cut round it. So it's a simple case of, this is the centre when you die cut the clock, and I was going to at first use a circle, But then I realised that this piece was obviously the piece to use rather than a separate circle. Yeah, so I've just got a few bits and bobs here. There's a little bit of washi on the back of that needs cut off. I had turned it round, but it wasn't for sticking in the back. So just simply collaging. This is just a little bit of scrapbook paper. I've got my sticker and my butterfly, and I thought all that the colours of the butterfly pick up the colour in the poofy that she's sitting on. Poofy? Stool? It's poofy? Is poofy a Scottish word? I don't think so. Is it? A stool. Just in case I'm using a word that's you're not familiar with. And I don't care that I'm overlapping the circle, because it's quite nice that your pieces overlap onto the clock, or if you're having it to the side. Because at first in my head, when I was thinking what could I do for this week's make, I was like, oh, and then I'll just stick the circle back on properly in the middle. But once it was made, I thought, you know, I'm not going to stick them back on the middle of the clocks, because then you've got the opportunity to have them wherever you want. But isn't this just the easiest, nicest thing to do? To put together some pieces. Nice huge big butterfly there. And I'm just going to rub the glue off the back of that. I should have paid attention to where I was gluing. So that's that done in a jiffy. And this is the matching clock for this one. I do quite like to have the 12 at the top, but obviously that doesn't make any difference whatsoever. You can put the 12 wherever you want. We'll just sit it in the middle for now, and we'll move on to this one, which has much the same kind of pieces. A little faux, I think these are Tim Holtz bits and bobs. Now, where was this? About there, I think. We'll do it. And then we'll have this at the back. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure this straight edge was going to sit somewhere sensible, so that it looks like he's writing the bits that are already on the paper, the scrapbook paper, and that's about right. And we don't have any strange edges from the plant, from the flower. And we'll just stick down the butterfly. About there. Looks like the butterfly's landed on his knuckle. Right. So that's the one for that. I like that one, it's nice, it's a bit different because all the three other ones are all girlies, all the ladies in a row. And then we've got the hand. Now I think I'll put one in my journal, and I think I'm going to choose this one. Let me find a nice page for it, and then let's decide whether or not this page, I think, whether or not we're going to keep it as is or we're going to do something fancy with it. It's a wee bit plain on it. I wonder if there's something. Here's a page that's got something on the background. It just doesn't look right, it doesn't match. That's better. It's got the little bit of white and blue. Yeah, I think we'll put it there. Just a wee dab of glue around the edge. Because it's quite lightweight, it shouldn't take much to hold. I'm just going to put it in the bottom half so that we can still see the nice blue texture there. Now will we just stick it down so that I can put something? Will we just stick the bottom and then it can have something in behind? Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that just now, and then maybe if that doesn't work we can stick the rest of it down. But in the meantime it can just be a little tuck spot and just tuck something in behind there. And maybe what I'll do is I'll find a nice few words from my word stickers. Maybe something about time or something. I think that's nice. What do you think? Happy with that? So that's me. That's my little clock cluster collage. 3 C's. Clock cluster collage. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.